On April 14, 2021, the U.S. cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase went public, with its shares opening at $381 on the NASDAQ stock exchange under ticker symbol COIN, COIN. This marks a milestone in the world of cryptocurrencies, as Coinbase is the first pure-play crypto trading company to list on the U.S. exchange. Today, we'll tell you, should you buy Coinbase coin stock? Watch before making a decision. Number 7, the future of cryptocurrency. When you invest in a company, it's a vote of confidence in the company itself, but it also shows you expect demand for its product or service to rise too. Do you believe there's a future for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the dozens of altcoins available to trade on Coinbase? Do you believe cryptocurrency is the future of money that could usher in an open financial system around the world, as Coinbase states on its website? Or is this all just a fad? An exchange like Coinbase is highly susceptible to changes in demand, and if crypto loses its appeal and users stop exchanging on Coinbase, this could impact revenue. Just as you would want a thorough understanding of the renewable energy market before investing in a renewable energy company, you'll want to fully wrap your head around cryptocurrencies before investing in a pure-play crypto company. Number 6, Coinbase's role in the future of crypto. If you believe there's a future for cryptocurrencies, the next question to ask yourself is whether Coinbase is positioned to capitalize on cryptocurrency's popularity. This is where investors might perform a fundamental analysis as they would with any other public company, studying the company's revenue, earnings, user growth, competition management, and dozens of other factors. But investing in Coinbase comes with a catch-22. If you fully believe in cryptocurrency, that is, believe in the applications and value of a decentralized public ledger, then do you have confidence in Coinbase, which is itself a centralized company? In addition to the Coinbase app, the company does offer its Coinbase wallet separately, which lets users store their own cryptocurrencies and explore decentralized applications. However, Coinbase Wallet only charges fees to cover the transaction costs it incurs, not the revenue-generating per transaction fees of the primary Coinbase app. Number 5, what you can afford to invest in Coinbase. When it comes to actually investing in Coinbase, the same rules apply for buying equity in any company. There's inherent risk, and you should invest only an amount you can afford to lose. Moreover, don't invest any cash you might need in the near future, say for at least the next 5 years. Building in this buffer will give you time to potentially recover from any near-term drops in the stock price. If you've yet to start a long-term index fund-based investment plan, most financial advisors would suggest funding such an investment before driving into the stock of a company that has recently gone public, or any individual stock for that matter. Number 4, Coinbase stock fundamental analysis. Huge earnings and sales growth ahead of the company's debut, Coinbase issued estimates on April 6 for its first quarter, ended March 31st, and an outlook for the full year ending December 31st, 2021. The company expects verified users of 56 million with $223 billion assets on platform, representing a 11.3% crypto asset market share. Coinbase has yet to post results as a public company. The crypto giant turned profitable in 2020, earning $1.64 per share on revenue of $1.28 billion. Last quarter, EPS soared 743% year over year to 90 cents per share on sales of $585.1 million. Revenue surged 495% versus the year earlier period. Looking at the current quarter, analysts expect the company to earn $2.97 per share, a whopping 1,756% increase. Meanwhile, sales are expected to skyrocket 849% to $1.81 billion. Number 3. Coin stock technical analysis. Coin stock is trading about 30% off its post-IPO highs. Investors should wait for a new base to form, which would offer the stock's first buy point. According to the IBD stock checkup, Coinbase stock shows a mild 46 out of a perfect 99 IBD composite rating. The composite rating helps investors easily measure a stock's fundamental and technical metrics. Weak IBD composite ratings are normal for new issues. Coinbase offers investors a way to gain broad exposure to the cryptocurrency markets without having to choose among the more than 4,000 coins and tokens listed on the exchange and hold them in a digital wallet. However, the highly volatile nature of cryptocurrencies and the influence of the Bitcoin price on Coinbase revenues could drive rapid share price fluctuations. If the cryptocurrency market turns bearish, it would weigh heavily only the Coinbase share price. Make sure you do your own research on whether the stock is a good fit for your portfolio and only trade with money you can afford to lose. Number 2. Coinbase share price prediction for 2021. What to expect and when. Analysts expect the share price to rise if interest in trading cryptocurrencies continues to increase among institutional investors as well as retail traders. The average 12-month price target from 5 Wall Street analysts that have issued a Coinbase stock price prediction is $536 per share, ranging between $394 and $650 per share. This indicates there is strong upside potential for the current level. All 5 analysts have rated the stock a buy. BTIG Research initiated coverage of the stock on April 15th with a buy rating and a $500 price tag, citing Coinbase as the gold standard among exchanges for digital assets. The firm expects the company to sustain its rapid growth as the industry continues to expand and institutional adoption increases. Analysts at CFRA initiated coverage with a price target of $400 and a buy rating. The analyst said in a note to clients, "Our base case scenario implies Coin not only becomes one of the largest financial exchanges for crypto, but it is also successful in diversifying into other products and services, most notably those aimed at institutional investors, an area it has more aggressively pursued over the past 2 years." Gil Lowry, research director at D.A. Davison, the first institutional investor on Coinbase in 2013, is especially bullish on the stock, raising his Coinbase share price forecast to $650 per share. Number 1. Should you buy Coinbase stock? I think Coin stock has compelling upside. Here's why. To help smooth the cyclicality in their revenue, I expect Coinbase to take a page out of the playbook of another cyclical business, which is the airline industry. Typically, you wouldn't want to copy any business strategy of airlines since they always are going broke. But airlines figured one thing out brilliantly, which is their rewards program and co-sponsored credit cards. American Airlines, AAL, for example, makes over $5 billion in a typical year from its loyalty program and credit cards, which in past years covered the losses they run from their actual airline operations. Here's how the programs work. Let's say I get a nice meal and a couple of glasses of wine somewhere tonight, and run up a $100 tab, which I pay with my credit card. Behind the scenes, 2 to 4% of this amount typically goes to the credit card companies. Visa, MasterCard takes a little bit, the credit card processor takes a bit, and the issuing bank takes most of it, 70+% of the fee. If you use an American Airlines card, for example, the issuing bank splits this money with the airline. As a result, the airline gets immediate cash and only has to put up a promise to fly someone in the future as a corresponding liability. Importantly, this results in upfront cash flow, recurring revenue, and no fixed cost to the airline. It doesn't sound like a lot, but volume is key, and airlines make billions of dollars per year off these programs because they're able to split up to a $500 plane ticket into 200 different credit card transactions someone does anyway, and then give it to them as a reward. So picture this. Coinbase is working on a rewards card that pays in Bitcoin. There's a well-defined market for crypto enthusiasts who would gladly put expenses on their card to earn Bitcoin or other cryptocurrency. This makes Coinbase money from their split of the interchange fees. It helps stimulate volume on their exchange when people buy and sell crypto with their reward money, and it helps solidify the value of their brand. This is a win-win-win, and I expect it to be a hit. There's a wait list for the card right now. That's a debit card. My hope is that they will be able to launch a credit card as well. Unlike airlines, Coinbase is starting from the point where they have a hugely profitable business. I don't think it's a stretch that they could pull similar income numbers to airline rewards cards by 2025, which would be $5 billion plus in annual profit. Their crypto exchange can never really lose money as it's a toll booth business. So all Coinbase really has to do to turn a nice profit as a business is to develop a rewards card as a revenue source and keep a user-friendly exchange that people can buy and sell crypto from. Coin could be a $600 stock on these points alone. Do let us know in the comment, what do you think about Coinbase stock future? Please subscribe to the Stock Advisor. Thanks for watching.